Cyber threats come in many forms, and it's important to know what they are so you can avoid them. Malware is a type of software that can harm your computer or steal your information. It can come from downloading games, apps, or even from clicking on a funny video link. Always download apps from trusted sources and use antivirus software to protect your devices. Phishing is when someone tries to trick you into giving them your personal information, like your passwords or credit card numbers. They might send you emails or messages that look real but are actually fake. Cyberbullying is when someone uses the internet to be mean or hurtful to others. This can happen on social media, in games, or through text messages. Lastly, predators are adults who use the internet to try to form relationships with kids and teens for harmful purposes. Always be careful about who you talk to online and never meet up with someone you've only met on the internet.